Next example is find the rank of financier. Okay, so we have to find out rank of financier. Now solution. Okay, for this problem we are using shortcut. Okay, so for using shortcut, what you will do, first you write a financier, Financial. Okay, now what you will do, first you write a position of these letters according to alphabet. Okay, according to alphabet, A will come what first, so there are two A, so both are having first position. After that C will come, so C is what second position. After that F will come, so F is what third position. After that I will come, so I is what fourth position. So there are two I's, both are having fourth position. After that L will come, so L is what fifth position. And after that N will come, so N is what sixth position. And this is also sixth position. Okay, now we are drawing lines. Okay, now starting from F. Okay, now F position is what 3. Okay, above F in right hand side how many letters are there? Okay, so position of F is what 3. Okay, so above 3 how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 letters. So here you have to write 3. Next is what I. Okay, now above I in right hand side how many letters are there? Okay, so position of I is what 4th. Okay, so above 4 how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 letters. Next is what N. Okay, above N in right hand side how many letters are there? So position of N is what 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll get 5. Okay, next is what A. Okay, above A in right hand side how many letters are there? That is 0. Next is what N. Above N how many letters are there in right hand side? Okay, so position of N is what 6. Okay, so what will come 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will come 4. Next is what C. Okay, above C how many letters are there in right hand side? That is above C. So position of C is what 2. Okay, so only one will come, that is E. Okay, next is what I. So position of I is what 4. Okay, above I how many letters are there in right hand side? That is 1. Next is what A. So for A what will come 0, and next is what L. For this one also what will come 0. Okay, now after writing this one, from this side you have to start with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, and 8 factorial. Okay, now what you will do, multiply these two, 3 into 8 factorial. Okay, now including F in right hand side how many letters are same? Okay, so including F there are 2I because we have 2 I's. Okay, 2A and 2N. Okay, so including F in right hand side we have 2 I's, 2A and 2N. So you have to divide by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, plus you have to multiply these two, so 3 into 7 factorial. Okay, now including I, including this I in right hand side how many letters are there? That is same. Okay, so again we'll get 2I, 2A and 2N. So you have to divide by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, plus next you have to multiply 5 into 6 factorial, 5 into 6 factorial. Okay, now including N in right hand side how many letters are same? Okay, so including N, so we will have 2N and 2A. Okay, I is only 1, so you have to divide by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, plus you have to multiply these two, so 0 into 5 factorial is what? 0 into 5 factorial divided by, okay, including A in right hand side how many letters are same? So including A, so we'll get 2A and 1N and 1I, and all are distinct, only we'll get 2A, so we have to divide by 2 factorial, plus, okay, after that we have to multiply with this one, 4 into 4 factorial. Okay, now including N right hand side if you check all the letters, so all the letters are distinct, so only what will come 4 into 4 factorial, plus next is what 1 into 3 factorial, 1 into 3 factorial. Okay, including C in right hand side all are distinct, so what will come? Same only will come, plus next is what 1 into 2 factorial, 1 into 2 factorial. Here also including I in right hand side all are distinct, so what will come? Same only will come, plus 0 into 1 factorial. Okay, here also including A both are different, so what will come? 0 into 1 factorial, plus 0 into 0 factorial. Okay, So these letters are there which is above financial. Okay, we want to find out rank of financial. So what you will do in this one, add +1. So you are adding +1, that is your rank. Okay, you can simplify this one. So that is your answer.